Hey there. In this tutorial we will learn about one of the list templates. Table Classic. This is Joget DX8 Showcase app. This is the Table Classic list template. To open the list, turn on Quick Edit mode and open the list. Go to the Settings tab. Here in the Basic Properties it shows the list ID, list name, the template name. The template name is Table Classic. Click Next or click here to configure the template. As you can see here, the row actions renders mode is set to default. Click on Allow user to rearrange columns, and allow user to show and hide columns. Let's go check the UI. Refresh. Here you can rearrange columns. From here you can show and hide columns. This is the default row action render mode. Go back to the list builder and choose the second option. The display row actions in single column. Before we choose this options, let's add another list action to test before and after choosing this option. Save and go back to the UI. Refresh. Here it shows each list action in a separate column. Go back to the list builder and choose the second option. The display row actions in single column. Save and go back to the UI. Refresh. Nice, it works. Now the list actions are in a single column. Next is the display row actions in a drop-down list. Save and refresh the UI. Here is the drop-down menu with the label actions. You can choose to rename the drop-down list label from here. Fantastic! This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.